and it's steady at 9.5. The other one is sitting right at the low pressure system at 50 psi. That's why the light came on, and it stayed on. It came on about 25 minutes ago when there's no place to go. Right now, about 200 miles from home. I pulled the green apple, but it's still breathing off the airborne system. I think it's still taking off of System 2 because System 2 hasn't dropped down too far yet. It's staying steady right at the line. System 2, that's correct. System 1 is up around 80 to 90 psi, but it's not moving when I breathe at all. Yeah, that sounds good. That's what my plan is. I'm over land now anyway, so it's not as big a deal as it was 30 minutes ago, but pulled the green apple, and as soon as the suit starts to pressurize, I'm headed down, but I should be starting down anyway in about 10 minutes. So I'll see you on the ground in about 50 minutes or so. Man, I didn't say it right, not suit pressurizing, but continuous flow in the helmet.